I'm so excited to go camping in the Rocky Mountains. Got all my clothes packed, all my toiletries, got my towel, I'm not packed yet, and we should be all ready to rock and roll. Let's just look at the time real quick. Oh, we're a little bit tight for time. Let's check the weather just in case. Holy smokes, 2 feet of snow. I'm so unprepared for this. What's the first thing when you're cold? You need a blanket. Let me go get a blanket. Okay, got that. If you need a blanket, what else do you need? A sleeping bag, sleeping bag. Okay, got it. Okay, whenever it's cold, coffee is a must. So I'm packing my coffee machine. Okay, what else do I need? What else? What if I get snowed in? I'm gonna need food. Got it. What else do I need? What else? What else? Oh, what if I get snowed in again? Have my handy dandy little shovel. Can save miracles. Okay, what's the last thing that I need? I'm not thinking of it. Oh, wait. I know. My girlfriend. Always need a cook.